Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Doctors conduct post-mortem on EDM victim Isha Mantry. Report reserved. Viscera sent for chemical test to confirm exact cause of death. National and international tourists, 50 DJ parties, noted celebs and sun, sand and sea. Goa rocks on the New Year Eve. Prudent crime reporter assault case handed over to DYSP Nelson Albuquerque. SP Priyanka Kashyap to monitor the investigations. Goa government hikes petrol price by 4 rupees from 31st midnight. VAT on petrol rises by 7%. Petrol to be 57 rupees per litre in the state. And Fast Track Racing Association set to kick off New Year in rip-roaring fashion, exciting local riders to display talent in motorcycle race at Navalim. Now the news in detail. Panel of doctors has reserved its finding in Isha Mantry's suspicious death case. Doctors panel awaits viscera and chemical analysis report of the deceased to confirm the real cause of death. 27 years old Isha Mantry died at an EDM in North Goa in suspicious circumstances on Monday. Family of the deceased has decided to cremate Isha in Goa.
After identification and required legal formalities by the family of deceased Isha Mantry, a panel of 4 doctors from the GMC on Wednesday afternoon conducted post-mortem. But the doctors panel has reserved its final report regarding cause of death. DIG V. Ranganathan said that doctors are awaiting viscera and chemical analysis report of the deceased to confirm the real cause of death.
पर पोस्टमार्टम आज पैनल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स ने किया है। अभी पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में उन्होंने फाइनल ओपिनियन रिजर्व कर रखा है और जो विसरा केमिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ द विसरा के लिए उन्होंने रिजर्व रखा है।
Family of deceased Isha Mantry has decided to cremate her in Goa. 27-year-old costume designer Isha Mantry died during a music dance festival in North Goa.
It is again an eye-opener, a suspected drug overdose case. Autopsy report confirms what is what. But according to people, they told Soropielle and he suspected drug overdose. So mixture gala. Aga dista Goyan war on drugs start korchi garaja.
Police till now have recorded statements of 17 witnesses, including 7 friends who were accompanying Isha Mantry. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Goans tourists and celebrities are in the state to welcome 2015. There are more than 50 DJ parties in the state attracting domestic as well as international tourists. Roads are blocked. Noted celebrities have also opted to celebrate their year-end with sun, sea and sand. Bus operators and flight operators have taken this opportunity to mint some money. Return tickets from Goa are on a higher side. Many tourists have arrived in the state to welcome the New Year 2015. The coastal belts are occupied by the tourists. Though tourists entered the state with affordable travel fare, while going they have to pay double fare. Have a look, the airfare from Mumbai to Goa is around 2,200, but for return ticket, fare is double to the tune of 4,000 rupees. Same with the bus tickets. Celebrities also prefer Goa as their favorite destination to welcome the New Year. Here are some of the celebrities. Priyanka Chopra, DJ Akil, Bipasha Basu, Rohit Gandhi, Randeep Hooda, TV serial artist. More than 50 DJ nights are scheduled in the state on the eve of New Year. Many noted DJs are in state to get on the beats. However, there are some tourists who are left without accommodations. Some of the tourists are annoyed due to lack of facilities, especially on beaches.
होटल नहीं मिला आपको?
होटल नहीं मिलेगा कि हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे उधर। हमको रहे होटल है ये पूरा,
लेकिन वो इधर रास्ते पर ही
क्या बोले?
नहीं, वो रास्ते पर ही ठहरते हैं।
रास्ते पर ठेके हैं। हम गरीब लोग हैं, इधर ही आपको होटल को रखने वास्ते पैसे भी नहीं कम है, इसलिए होगा हम खाना बना लेते हैं। उन्हें आगे पार्किंग वाला 200 रुपये फाइन पूछ रहा है। हम टिफिन बनाने वास्ते
टिफिन के लिए 200 रुपीज़ उसको रिसिप्ट
बना
भी नहीं है। सभी लोगों के पास भी 200 रुपीज़ ले रहे हैं।
200 रुपीज़ ले रहा है। इधर तो
त्यामुळे तर टॉयलेटला किंवा इतर सुविधा काही नाही आहेत. टॉयलेटच्या सुविधा नाही आहेत, लेडीजला टॉयलेट नाही आहेत.
हॉटेलचे रेट 3,000 रुपये सांगितले.
3,000 ते 8,000 पर्यंत.
3,000 ते 8,000 पर्यंत सांगितले.
किती माणसांसाठी? किती माणसांसाठी?
4 माणसांसाठी. जेवणाचे पण रेट 400-500 रुपये आहेत, असे जास्त आहेत.
Bureau Report, Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.